Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mono audio for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android, and then I will move to the iPhone. But some Android phones have system what more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also iPhone part to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your Android, open Settings, and then we should go to Accessibility. I have stock Android, on stock Android accessibility located at the bottom in the settings. You may have them at the middle or at the beginning, it depends. Click at the accessibility, then we should scroll down again, and at the bottom you will find audio adjustment. Tap at that line, and at the first line we have mono audio. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it, and to disable it, you need to also tap at the slider. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open Settings, then we should go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings. Tap at the Accessibility, then scroll down, and in the Hearing we have Audio and Visual line. Tap at that line, and if you have iOS 26 at the fourth line, if you have previous version at the third line, you will find mono audio. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it, turn on. And to disable mono audio, you need to also tap one time at the slider. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.